Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to do a little introduction of the new 2018 to 2020 Stampin' Up! In Colors. I also wanted to show off the new style of ink pads. So these are the new In Colors, which are coming out in the new catalog, which starts on June 1st, 2018. But of course you can get a bundle of all 5 of these ink pads this month. So that is super, super fun. Of course, I'll leave a link down below so that you can get these in your hands as soon as possible, because of course we just can't wait to play with new colors, right? So I super love these colors. If you know me at all, you know that I love bright colors and I love, you know, your primaries and just, you know, just those bold colors. The bold, the brights collection is definitely my favorite collection, and that's what I go for almost every time I'm stamping, and then I like to mix in some of the others sometimes here and there. So here are the colors. There's this bright yellow, which is Pineapple Punch. There's this like reddish, pinkish, I'm not really sure what color I would call that. I'm not really good with saying like shades and darkers and lighters and a little off from this. But this is like a red pink, and it is called Lovely Lipstick, which that would make a fabulous lipstick color. This is Grapefruit Groove, which you can see is kind of like an orange, but kind of like a peach. Kind of a little like neon almost, but I wouldn't really say it's like neon. I would just say it's more like peachy corally, that sort of color. Again, I'm the worst for describing colors, so I apologize. This one is Blueberry Bushel. So you can see it's like a bright blue, so it's not as dark as Night of Navy, but it's not really, you know, bright like Pacific Point either. Then this one is called Call Me Clover, which is a fabulous like grass green color, I feel like. Very bright, very bold. You know, it's much brighter than like garden green, which is like your deeper green, but yet it's not as deep or olivey like Old Olive. It's a little bit more bright. I'm just gonna stop right there. Like I said, I'm horrible with describing colors and everything. So now I just kind of wanted to show you some tips and tricks on the new style of ink pad. So I'm going to push these aside a little bit and show you. You can see, I'm gonna actually bring in an old style of ink pad. So you can see that it is a smidge, just a smidge, shorter than the old style of ink pad, but it is about the same width, because you can't really see it either direction, so it's about the same width, and it is much skinnier. So you can see this is the new one, and it is skinnier than this one. This one, the new style, is very square and like box style, whereas, you know, like this one has the little lip here and it's got the little grooves on the side and everything, whereas this one has like a small little indentation on the side, but otherwise it's fairly smooth up, down, and around and on all sides. So then this one, the new style, you'll just pop it open, so there's like a little lip right here for you to grab, so you can just pop it open and then you can slide it back into place. So if you don't wish to slide it back into place and just kind of, you know, quickly do a few little stamped images, you can always leave it open like that. Of course you do kind of have that little teeter-tottery bump there, so you do want to be careful with doing that. So then you'll just slide it back and close it. So it just almost closes like a compact, like you know, a mirror, like a woman's makeup compact. So whereas this one, you kind of have to do the push, pull, flip around, that sort of style. So that's the difference with the two different styles there. The other thing that you'll notice is there are actually little divots on the corners and then there's little reverse divots, little like nubbins on the back side on each of the corners as well, and that's because these sort of interlock. So like I'm trying to slide them side to side and up and down, and they don't because they interlock nice and smooth like that. So that is super, super fabulous. Of course, you can see there's the label. I put the lovely lipstick label on this one already so that you can see that, just like there's the label for the old style. So no change there. You still have that awesome label so that whenever you stack all of your ink pads, you can see the color. So with the label, you'll notice that there is different languages on the back. So I just took the English label and placed it there on the front of the ink pad. And then there's also a solid colored label at the very bottom here. You'll notice it's missing on this one. And that little label I put on the inside in this little tray here. So let me actually open this one up so you can see that it's missing in that one. So there's this little white tray right on the inside lip, and that's where I put that little label that's just the solid color. So that way, whenever you have all of your ink pads open like this, I got a little white fuzzy in there, and now I have red all over my fingers. Well, let's try not to make a mess. Ooh, but that color is just absolutely stunning. Look at that. Although it kind of looks like I'm bleeding, but it is a very gorgeous pinky red color. So whenever you have all your ink pads open, you see that they're both just dark looking. So it's nice to be able to know that this one's the pinky color and this one's the blue color because of that little label there. You don't have to sit there and go, what color is this? Where is the label? You know, that sort of thing. So super, super fun to be able to do that. So there are all of the new in colors for 2018 to 2020. So of course, like I said, these will be out in the new catalog starting on June 1st, but you can get the collection of the 5 ink pads starting this month, as well as the Share What You Love bundle. So I will leave links down below for that. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of more fun little techniques and tips and super fabulous projects using these colors. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.